Setanomori Forest, late afternoon. The path is quiet, just fern fronds brushing my boots and the hush of summer air. Then I see it. A broad branch 10 feet up, and stretched across it, a cat. Not a light, nimble house cat, but a heavy, muscle-packed silhouette. Gold-gray fur, faint dark rosettes. In this green cathedral it looks, for one surreal moment, exactly like a miniature cheetah on a lookout perch. A crow calls overhead. The cat finally blinks, head tilting just enough to keep me in frame. Curiosity, yes. Caution, absolutely. Fear, not a drop. Remember, Setanomori is a wildlife reserve. If you meet one of these tree-climbing strays, enjoy the moment, but keep your distance. No chasing, no feeding. Let the forest keep its quiet magic. Thanks for joining me on this unexpected encounter. Hit subscribe for more nature walks, and maybe the next mysterious resident of the woods.